What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the first live stream of 2024. How does everything sound? Is the music too loud? Is everything clear? If so, we can start rocking and rolling. BTC put in a higher high, guys. BTC put in a higher high here. We talked about BTC probably chopping around until the end of the year, and that's exactly what's happening. Breaking out of the symmetrical triangle right now. That's insane. That's actually very, very bullish now for BTC. Next main resistance is sitting around 50,000, guys. Indicators on the day chart for BTC looking super solid as well. It looks like we're about ready to flip bullish here in the next day or so on the MACD for BTC. Look at that nice V-shaped recovery right there on the MACD for BTC. RSI starting to tail up as well. We did break out of our RSI downtrend that we've been in since the entire month of December. We've been in the downtrend on the RSI. Also WTX we have not, I don't think we've broken out of the downtrend yet. So that's our net for next. Oh wow, Porky the Pig there. That's our next area to keep a close watch on, is the downtrend on the WTX at around 29. But regardless, guys, BTC broke out of this consolidation that we've been in the entire month of December. Hey, yeah, happy New Year's, everyone. Forgot about that. Happy New Year's to you all. Hope you all had a great one. So next main resistance, guys, if we go to the 3-day chart, I think we're in that price volume gap now that we were talked about. Yeah, I mean, hypothetically speaking, this was the key area of resistance at 45,000. So let's keep an eye on 45, guys. This is very bullish, breaking out of this continuation pattern right here. Hopefully it starts out like it did like the beginning of last year, just straight up. Be pretty cool. Yeah, that's what we're seeing for BTC, guys. It's pretty much reset, ready to rock and roll. We got the moon juice, we got the rocket fuel. We're warming up the boosters right now, pretty much. Pretty much what we're doing for BTC. I'm pumped. This week should be pretty exciting. This week should be pretty exciting for BTC. This week, what is that? The ETF? The ETF supposedly is supposed to be approved on is it the 13th of January? I think that's when all the deadlines are, the cutoff dates or whatever. So a lot of people are thinking that ETFs will be approved, I think, on the 10th or the 13th of January. If you guys want to correct me, I know it's around that general time frame. It's around that general time frame. 9th of January, even better. 8 days. Bring it on. When is that? That is on a next Tuesday, guys. So let's see if we pump into it. My bags are packed, boys and girls. Other than that, how are the markets looking? SEI is up 23. Never even heard of this coin, Celestia. Oh, I have heard of that, up 15.5. Oh, Bonk's actually moving again. Let's take a look at Bonk. After it got listed on all the exchanges, man, it had a very lengthy retracement, but we still are bullish. We still haven't put in a lower high, which would technically be around a 786. For some reason, I had this orange line drawn here. Why did I have that line drawn there? Music seems a little loud. There we go. Turn the music down a little bit. Oh, let's see. Why did I have that? I have no idea why I had that orange line drawn there. Had to be for some reason. I had that orange line drawn there and we hit it. It had to be a fib area. No idea, but whatever it is, we bounced right off that orange line I had drawn for some reason at 13176. Indicators are looking good. I mean, on the day chart for Bonk here, we're actually losing our bearish momentum here on the MACD. It's starting to tail up on the RSI. Did we break out of that downtrend? That's a very steep downtrend. Yeah, we broke out of the steep downtrend on the RSI. Let's keep an eye out for a move for Bonk, guys. Oh, I drew because that was this support area. Now I remember, that was the support area towards the beginning of December. We smashed into it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row before we overtook it. And then we tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days before we started moving higher. So yeah, Bonk's looking like it's getting ready to move back up. Yeah, it broke out of its downtrend as well. Broke out of its downtrend too about 4 hours ago. All eyes on Bonk, guys. It could be pushing up here pretty soon. Still bullish structure. We knew it was going to see some sort of decent correction after this massive pump up, and I mean that was a lengthy correction. That was a half a month correction right there, and it dropped pretty big. I mean, it dropped 67%, which we talked about in the past. I mean, bonk retraced on the way up right here 50%. It retraced on the initial push up right here. This was a small one, but that was 40%. This pullback right here was 36%. So I mean, we're still bullish structure for bonk. I mean, if we do break above that high right there, the next step would be the 1236, hypothetically speaking. So fingers crossed. I mean, I'd be keeping an eye on that, guys. Bonk might be a good long. Yeah, William in the house. What's up, brother? I'm actually streaming during the Michigan-Alabama Rose Bowl right now. I wasn't even thinking. At least I got to watch part of it. It's the third quarter right now, and we're up by 3 points. But Michigan's going to beat Alabama. I don't doubt that at all. So figured I haven't done a live stream in a while. You know, I want to do a live stream before I got back to work tomorrow to start the grind. Who knows? This could be the last year that I work for the man. If I play my cards right, and if I did my due diligence correctly in the bear market, this could be the last year that I work for the man. Fingers crossed. That's the end goal. That's the end goal. Aleph zeros up 1.2, 403,000. They're going to be doing that commons airdrop here pretty soon, I believe, which is if you've been staking your A0 for a certain amount of time, you're actually going to get a commons, which is the official DEX on Aleph Zero. As a Buckeyes fan, I cannot root for Michigan, so let's just say I'm rooting for the Big Ten represent. I'll accept that. I'll accept that. Yeah, but Commons is the lead DEX on Aleph Zero that's launching here this month, and they're doing their token airdrop to the people who have staked, and it's dependent on how long you've staked, how much you've staked. And I've been staking Aleph Zero, I think, for over a year now, and a pretty decent sized bag of it. So pretty excited to see what that Commons airdrop is. Who knows? Usually airdrops are a letdown, but fingers crossed. I mean, you can't turn down free coins, right? Aleph Zero, we thought we were going down to the 786. Let's see if it's still, it's still plausible. It's still plausible. Shoot, I wanted to have that downtrend still. That's the lifelong downtrend right there for Aleph Zero. And we broke out of it, but we haven't came back down the back test it yet. That's the only concern I had. But I mean, we've been slowly bleeding out since the middle of December, similar to Bonk. You know, Bonk peaked out towards the middle of December as well and started retracing. So, I mean, worst case scenario for Aleph Zero, we got on the 786 at around 145. I think 140, 145 would be a good entry. If you thought you missed the bonk train, you might get one more opportunity at 140 and then rally up from there. But I think the days of, I don't want to jinx it. I'm not even going to say, I was going to say that, no, I'm not even going to say it. I don't even want to jinx it. So let's just keep an eye out on a movement like that for bonk. I mean, indicators are looking good. Like they want to reverse. Just, I've been around charting for a while, and normally I'd say 95% of the time when you break out of a very powerful downtrend like you have since the inception of Aleph Zero, you come back down and back test that support flip resistance. So that's what I'm expecting Aleph Zero bounce off here and then to infinity and beyond. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, man. That ETF gets approved. Who knows, that could just get sucked up. So next Tuesday's the day, huh? Next Tuesday's the day we find out. Yay or nay? Yay or nay? It's crazy that we're that early in the game. Think about it. We're here before the big wigs actually get in. This is the last easy bull run, I think. And I don't mean like easy, but you know, the last easy bull run until the big dogs get in. And it's gonna be a lot harder to make some money. So hopefully we'll play our cards right, guys. Good opportunities become financially free this bull run, and they're coming up here pretty soon. Hopefully you guys were able to accumulate and got some good low buys there in the bear market. Yeah, but Aleph Zero's looking solid. Let's see how my Dogechain's looking. Dogechain. CC pattern I'm playing hard is tokens that haven't yet pumped to 100 weekly simple moving average, or tokens that are consolidating on the top of the 100 week. Yeah, I really haven't used the moving averages before. I should start. I'll be honest with you, man. I've really never learned how to use the moving averages, believe it or not. Maybe that's something I should look into. I know you have. You've been posting in the Discord about it. I've really never learned how to use the moving averages. I've just stuck to my fibs and my 3 indicators at the bottom. Yeah, I mean, DC broke out of its lifelong downtrend as well. I mean, this had a big retracement right here. And look at a lot of the coins we see peaked out on the 15th of December and are retracing. I mean, that's a 59% retracement. That's disgusting. I was actually lucky enough. I took some profit right there on my DC and I flipped it into Akita. Maybe I should get out and get back into DC, but I still own a decent sized bag of DC. But a lot of the indicators here, guys, are looking like they're gearing up for a reversal. Moving average is powerful. SMA. Let's give it a try. Oh shoot, I know that's not it. I'll message you on the Discord and you can teach me how to use it. Yeah, but right now DC is holding up support at the 382, so that might be a good accumulation zone right there for DC, guys. Right here at the 382 at, what is that, 7700 micro pennies for reversal to the upside. Yeah, I think that would be a great buying opportunity for DC before we start rallying, because I mean, Dogecoin really hasn't been doing crap either, especially if we overlay it. You can see the similarities. Shoot, need to clear all this. I have a bunch of scribbles all over the screen. Yeah, similarities right there. So once Dogechain starts, or Doge starts moving, Dogechain should follow, which we should actually look at Doge to see if it's about ready to get bullish, because that would verify DC being bullish. I mean, look at Dogecoin's downtrend that was broken. You've been in the downtrend on Dogecoin since May of 2021. Broke out of a multi-year downtrend for Dogecoin. You know, I rarely chart Dogecoin. I don't know why, but Dogecoin's looking like it's about ready to take off as well. Yeah, broke out of the lifelong downtrend on the day chart. MACD's looking like it's losing its bearish momentum. You've been bearish on on the MACD since the 15th of December. RSI is starting to tail up. WTX tailing up. All of them seem reset. I mean, we went all the way back down to 48, so we did go down to 50. 50 is the reset level. Let's keep an eye on that, man. If Bong starts, if Dogecoin starts running, DC should technically follow. Our resistance looks like it's at the 19 cents area. And Dogecoin's not looking bad, guys. Not looking bad at all. Yeah, maybe bounce off that 382 there at 8 cents, then rally up to above 10. Dogecoin's looking good, so that's a very positive sign for my Dogecoin. Doge consolidating directly on top of weekly 100 moving average. It's going to pop hard on longer time. Sweet, so that's good for my Dogecoin or Dogechain. I get all these dog coins mixed up. So let's see if I can figure out how to use this thing. That's the 100. So you're saying it's consolidating on this, on larger time frames, you said? Yeah, I don't know how to use it. It's just an orange line to me. But I'm guessing being above it's bullish, being below it's bearish. That's what it's kind of looking like. As long as you stay above it, you look like you're bullish, and when you're below it, you're bearish. Yo, Miss Dell in the house. How you been? Long time no see. Happy New Year, fam. Thank you, CC, for the whole year 2023. Sharing us knowledge and wisdom. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, Dogecoin's looking good, guys. Yeah, Dogecoin's looking really good. ICP's looking awesome. ICP's looking absolutely amazing. Yeah, I think the play for ICP would be to short it down to the 382 here at 1050-ish and then ride it up for the next wave up. Like ICP's looking crazy good, guys. I mean, if you would have bought it back here in October, I think that's a 3x. No, that's a 4.5x if you would have bought it in October already. Crazy, crazy. I just got a text from my sister-in-law saying this game is rough, so there must be something going on that I'm missing. Alabama 17, Michigan 13, Michigan 3 and out. Oh my gosh, no. David keeping us in the loop. Keeping us in the loop. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, here we are right here. 17, 13, 13. Dang. Yeah, I'll just keep that score up there to the left so I can keep an eye on the game. William, what do you think of Joystream? I don't think anything of it. Let's actually take a look at it. Of 5.5, 4.5 cent. This song is annoying. Hang on. There we go. Joystream's up 5.5 at 4.5 cents, 36 million market cap, 800 million coins in circulation, infinite max supply. So not bad. Kind of weary about the infinite max supply, but it is what it is. All-time high. Wow, all-time high was 3 months ago. All-time low was 6 months ago. Wow, 6 months ago you'd be up 214x on your investment. Or is that 21x? Oh, it's 21x. Wow, it's the only upcoin. This thing's been running since inception. Where is this even available? It's available on MEXC, huh? Okay, okay. It's on the Polkadot ecosystem. Oh, it's like a work group thing that you pay. They pay you in crypto. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yo, Crypto Tech in the house. Yo, man, happy holidays. Have you ever looked into Myro? Yes, we have looked into Myro before. We can take a look at it tonight. We're gonna look at Joystream real quick though. Yo, that is an awesome chart right there. Oh my gosh. That is a beautiful chart. Everyone who bought it here is like, oh, this is a rug, it's going to zero. Then it just went to infinity and beyond. That's disgusting. Congrats, whoever bought that. Congrats, whoever bought that. So we're gonna be in uncharted territory right now. We haven't been in this general area before, so we're kind of going to be relying on our indicators because there's no real prior data of how the price reacts up here. Now, the MACD is actually looking like it's about ready to rip ass to the upside. You've been bearish since the beginning of December, and you're losing it rather quickly, and you're about ready to cross over bullish here with a lot of fuel in the tank. RSI is looking good. You've been consolidating around that 50. That 50 is the reset line. So you're consolidating there, which is fantastic. Same with the WTX. WTX is starting to tail up. So this thing's looking like it's about ready to push up higher, I would have to say. Now, how high it would go? I mean, you have your golden ratio up here at 29 cents. Not saying it's going to shoot up to 29 cents from 4 cents right here. But what we really need to focus on is getting over 6. 6 cents is going to be our test. You get over 6, your next main resistance is around 10. But the indicators are looking solid. This actually looks like it's about ready to pop pretty soon. Yeah, I'd be keeping an eye on the 786 here in the short term. That 786 is sitting at around 5 cents. So keep an eye on 5 cents, guys. You get over 5 cents, you have a good chance at taking off. Something like this, break out of that, and then rally up higher. Yeah, but this thing has juice in the tank, guys. It looks like the rocket boosts are starting to ignite here. Once these indicators start crossing over and flipping bullish, this thing's going to see a pretty large push up. You know, that initial push up there was 276. This push up here was 184. This push up here is 317. This push up here is 2. So there's really never had any small push-ups, guys. The smallest one was 180. So if we went up to 180, that would actually bring us right up towards that golden ratio, the 1618 at around 12 cents. Bama fumbled to Michigan. Let's go. Let's go. You know, if we lose by 1, I'm actually gonna be very upset because of that that really bad missed field goal on the bad snap. So yeah, joystick's looking solid. Myro, this is supposedly Elon Musk's dog, I believe. One of his dogs. I think he has like 13 dogs. I mean, it's kind of hard to chart a coin like that, but we'll do our best. Top to bottom right here, you seem to be smacking into that 618, and that's what's driving you down. It looks like you've been having trouble getting over that 618 since the 18th of December. You actually broke below it on the 16th of December. Indicators right now aren't looking too bad. I mean, on the 4 hour, you are bullish on the MACD. Your RSI is tailing up, and your WTX is tailing up. Now these coins are high risky. I guess you can say high risk plays. You know, some of them do run, and majority of the meme coins do run towards the end of the bull run. But it's just like you pick and choose, and if one of your coins gains traction, you know, then you're good to go. But Myro right now, not financial advice. I wouldn't be putting money into it right now. I think there's better opportunities to be making money out there. Now, will Myro break its all-time high during the bull run? Probably. It's just, when is that going to happen? I mean, I think the market cap on it is pretty small. Yeah, it's only a $26 million market cap. So, you know, a 10x from here is 260 million. 100x from here is 2.6 billion, and 2.6 billion market cap in the bull run's absolutely nothing. Those are peanut bags. So I mean, during the bull run, is it possible? Yeah. But it's like, are there better plays they could be in right now? Yeah. But we're up 18.7% today. It's currently available on quite a few exchanges. Oh, it is available on MEXC. So it is available on MEXC as well. So yeah, this coin will pump eventually. It'll pump eventually. It's just, I mean, if you're in this coin and you believe in it, just DCA and just wait till it explodes. Not financial advice. Yo, Crypto Cajun in the house. We got Barry Dingle in the house. Wow, great turnout tonight, guys. So we're sitting here charting some crypto, and I'm watching football on the other screen. If you call that watching football, it's just looking at numbers move technically. Missed field goal, no good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bam, I had a player named Cool. Imagine a parent being like, what should we name our kid? Let's name him Kool-Aid. Oh boy. So WTK, what is that? Watts pays up 14.2. All-time low 2 years ago. All-time low 1 year ago. Oh, this isn't looking bad. This coin Watts Pay is actually not looking bad here at all. So you've been in a lifelong downtrend since 2021, and you are, let me clear this up. I don't know if you're above it right now or not. Let's see. You are on the cusp. You are on the cusp of being out of a lifelong downtrend. You haven't done it yet. But once you break out of a lifelong downtrend, man, these things start running. So not financial advice. These are kind of the coins that you're looking for, because a lot of coins you look at today, watch, they'll be already broken out of their bear market downtrend and be up a good amount. So since this one's not out of its bear market downtrend, it might not be a bad play for a spot hold, like a quick flip, because once you break out of this multi-year downtrend, you see a pretty large pump and then a retracement. So maybe we could play that pump there. What's the market cap on it? We have to look at it on here, I think. WTK 100,000 million. So it's a 19 million market cap. That's, yeah, this thing could pump, guys. It's gearing up for it. So in the meantime, I mean, we could see something like this too. We could see one more drop down and then rally up from here, because we are consolidating within this pennant right here. We are consolidating. Whoop, 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 and then rally to the upside. So Watts Pay is looking really, really good, guys. Keep an eye on that. That might not be a bad spot flip at all, and that would probably rally us up to that 1618 here at around 12 cents, which from where we're currently at, that's a 200% move there. That's nothing to sneeze at. Yo, Miss Dell with the super chat. First super chat. Let's celebrate their first super chat in the live stream. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I really appreciate that. No message. Oh, she asked for Empire. Yeah, we'll look at Empire. I really appreciate the super chat. Thank you very much. First super chat of 2024 right there goes to Miss Dell. Round of applause. Round of applause. So yeah, we'll get at your coin. You said, what do you think of Empire? Let's look at Empire. I've never heard of Empire. So I'm guessing you're talking about this coin right here. That's the only one that's Empire. Am I correct that it's this coin? Yo, Lily in the house. Welcome, everyone. First live stream of the New Year's. So is this the right coin that you are looking to get charted? So Empire says Empire has recently migrated from their old contract to the new contract. So whatever that means, you can please visit their Twitter post. So what's their Twitter post look like? When did this go out? April 2nd, 2023. After much anticipation, the Empire token is migrated to Ethereum. Oh, it migrated to Ethereum? That's a bad decision. People are trying to migrate out of Ethereum. Oh, let's look at it. I don't know if I can find it. I don't know if I can find it. Where's it available at? What's up, JG? Yeah, 45K BTC. We went over BTC at the beginning of this live stream, guys. It's looking good. I mean, that deadline for the ETFs is next Tuesday. So let's see if we rally up into that or not. And if that gets approved, you better have your moon suits dusted off, because it's to infinity and beyond. If that ETF gets approved, we're gonna do a live stream, and I'm actually gonna wear my full astronaut outfit on the stream, and that's not a joke. I used to do it all the time. I used to always wear my moon suit on the stream, but then the bear market came. So where's this available? Gate.io and MEXC, so we should be able to find it. And its acronym is Empire, EMPIRE. So it's got to be this one, Empire token. I mean, that's not bad right there. It looks like you broke out of buy the room, sell the nudes as always. Yeah, that is true. That is true. But we'll see. That could be a major catalyst. It's anyone's game. Yeah, but here you actually broke out of your downtrend and back tested it. So that's pretty bullish. But unfortunately, sometimes when you break out of downtrends, you tend to just follow it still. And it kind of looks like that's the case right now. Your MACD here on the daily chart is technically bearish and starting to grow bearish. RSI starting to tail up, so it's a little bit of a deviation right there from the MACD to the RSI. And then your WTX is tailing down, so there's quite a few deviations going on here with the indicators. Now if we draw top to the bottom right here and then zoom in a little bit, what we're currently seeing is working our way up to test that 618 area at around 10 cents, or not 10 cents, what am I talking about? 0.001 micro pennies, and that would continue this downtrend right here. So I'd be keeping an eye on that. I mean, if we actually see a bounce right here, that'd be putting in a higher low, and that would be a good opportunity to rally out of here. But in the meantime, I'd be focusing on that 618 at around that 0.001 micro pennies. That has to be the next one that breaks. But regardless of that, just you broke out of a multi-year downtrend, which is bullish in itself. So this coin's in the first stage of its bull run right now. It's in the first stages of its bull run right now, so it might not be a bad opportunity to accumulate some now before we break out of this, because then we can start it, because once it breaks out, we can see some very, very bullish movement to the upside. Like I said, I have no idea what this coin even is. I'm just going by the chart structure. And what's the market? The market cap's got to be extremely small to only have 30K volume. Yeah, it's only $934,000 market cap. So yeah, it's a gamble. It's a gamble play, but you know, no risk, no reward, right? No risk, no reward. Everyone's saying BTC's breaking out. Yeah, BTC's breaking out. 45.1, guys, to infinity and beyond. Next main resistance is at 49.50K for BTC. We're actually gonna draw that horizontal line right there. This, well, technically there's two different resistance areas we have to contend with. One's right here at 47.9 and the other one's at the 786 up there. So we can draw a red box. This is going to be our next main resistance for BTC if we maintain above, I don't know why I need a box. I don't need a box that big. If we maintain above 45, where's my colors? Need my colors. Like, seriously, oh, they're all the way down here. Make that red. So that is the next main resistance for BTC right there. If we maintain above 45, all the way up to 47.8, this just general box area. And then once we break over 50, man, to infinity and beyond. I think we're gonna rally pretty hard into this, into the next Tuesday's ETF possible announcement. You know, that is a big cutoff day that a lot of people have been waiting for. So who knows, maybe we just ride up there slowly to 48, 49,000 and we'll be there by Tuesday. And then they say, hey, there's no ETF. And then we get rug pulled down to 12K and then Capo would be right. No, I wouldn't be shocked at all. I wouldn't be shocked at all if we were in these general price areas by next week, Tuesday. Okay. I want to try to change the music. This sucks. I only can listen to royalty-free music, so I got this app here, and I really haven't found a good station that plays royalty-free music. I mean, you can play music from like, how do I slide over? Oh, probably the over button. So you can play like chess music, World of Warcraft music, Final Fantasy music. Let's see what GTA music sounds like. There, we'll listen to Grand Theft music for a bit, see if it's any good. Trying to find a good station to listen to. So David says Flow, One, and Crow are all about to pop. So everyone jump on BTCC and long those coins right now. I'm not even kidding. I'm not going to chart until you guys get on BTC and long. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. That's not financial advice. But yeah, you guys could technically long them on BTCC, and we do have a master trader on BTCC in this chat here. Our mod Chef Natron is a master trader on BTCC, so you can actually copy his trades if you wanted to, if you didn't know anything about futures. Holy crap, Benki actually ran. Y'all, Benki to the moon. 6, almost 7x since October. Kevin Lolo took a trade off 42.5K last night. Last take profit 45.4. There you go. There you go. No, so Benki right now is trying to overtake that 382 area, and it's looking like it might actually do it. MACD is about ready to flip bullish. We're not about ready, but we're losing our bearish momentum rather quickly on the day chart. RSI is tailing up, WTX is tailing up. So I'd be keeping an eye on around that 2.5 cents range. If we got over 2.5, that would be that'd be really bullish. It's actually a bull flag forming right now too, if I can draw this correctly. Let's see. It's actually a bull flag right now, so if we did break out, that would send us up to around 10 cents. Oh my God, Michigan's down 20 to 13 with 4 minutes. Dude, Michigan sucks at bowl games. I said that when they started, or I said that before the game today. I'm like, Michigan can play great all year, but when it gets in the bowl games, man, they absolutely suck at bowl games. I mean, they're losing to Alabama. Come on. Come on. Yeah, Benki's looking good. Indicator's looking solid. It's looking like a pump's gearing up. And I mean, if BTC does head up to the 50K mark by, next Tuesday, these altcoins are going to follow. And if we get rejected on that 50K, altcoins will probably pump harder after that, because BTC will drop. People are going to take their profits out of BTC and flip them into their altcoins. Let's actually do a little bit of digging here real quick. So here's the weekly on the DXY, which we actually did break below the 0.5, which is awesome. So the DXY actually looks like it wants to go down to the 382 here at 98, which is fantastic. When the DXY drops, that's crazy bullish for BTC. So hopefully that's the case there, that the DXY continues dropping. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance here. Oh, this is okay. I haven't seen this yet. This is awesome. So the Bitcoin dominance has officially broken out of its uptrend that it's been in since November of 2022. This is very, very bullish for your altcoins, guys. When the BTC dominance falls, that's when your altcoins run. So this could mean that we are knocking on the door of alt season here. I did not see this. I haven't checked this in a while. Yo, let's go. This is good news for altcoins, guys. Breaking out of a over a year-long uptrend here on the Bitcoin dominance. Feels like liquidity grab. Could be. But everything feels fake when you come out of a multi-year bear market like that. We talked about in the Discord, man. It's just, we got PTSD from that bear market. Who knows? Yeah, but this is bullish, guys. This is bullish for your altcoin. The BTC dominance falling. And then we got the total 2, which this is your alt C. Oh, wow. The total 2 is actually over the 786 as well, guys. The total 2, this is your alt. This is your altcoins. These are your altcoins right here. And we broke above the 786. Altcoins are gearing up for something big. Yeah, I haven't checked these charts in a couple weeks. Yeah, altcoins are be gearing up for something big, guys. I've gone over before. I think we're gearing up for another one of these. I've gone over why before. You know, you have that, and you have the run, then you have you know, you have this, you have the consolidation, and then the run. So it's looking good, man. Altcoins are looking solid. Hopefully this plays out. Hopefully we can maintain above that 786 there on the total 2. So if we do, that's extremely bullish. Even if we come back down a little bit more, as long as we stay above these highs here, as long as we stay above these highs that we've been in since consolidation that we've been in since June of 2022, I'm fine with that. I'm fine if we come down here and then rally up. That's what I want to see. Either rally up now or not, or don't fall below 600 and 670 billion market cap for the total 2. Yo, Stragaheart, welcome. Happy New Year, CC. Happy New Year. But hell yeah, man, the total 2 is looking solid. Altcoins are looking bullish. Yo, Kevin, do you do these lives often? It's first time catching. Yeah, I do 1 or 2 live streams on the weekend and then 1 during the week. Other than that, I update. I do daily videos. I try to do daily videos. Pretty busy. You know, I have a family and a young child, so I get on when I can. But I do at least do 1 live stream during the weekend. And I try to do 1 live stream during the week and then upload at least a minimum of 3 videos a day. Amen. CC, PTSD, bear syndrome for sure. Everything is suspicious to me. That's why my bags are packed. We accumulated most of our bags in the bear market. I have a little bit of a fun bag, but other than that, man, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Been trying to break the take profits too early habit. Yeah, that's why I'm just in the hodl. I mean, we're in the first stages of the bull run. I'm just diamond handing holding until this chart here plays out. This is the cheat sheet, which I think we actually might be breaking here pretty soon. Let's see if this is still accurate. No, I want this. There we go. Oh my gosh. First, oh, hang on. What the heck's going on here? What's going on with my USTD dominance? Something's off here. What is wrong here? Yeah, whatever. But it actually broke below this, which is the first time in NBA history. So people are getting out of their altcoins, it looks like. Go down to 4%, man. Altcoins are going to start popping. Yeah, dropping DXY. Dropping a DA. Don't need luck, I need skill. Been watching your lives for a couple years now. Appreciate your work. Really enjoy your Discord. The mods are, I appreciate that, David. Yeah, believe it or not, I started, when did I start? I started my channel December 16th, 2021, 2022, 2021. I think I started my channel December 16th, 2021. So my channel has only experienced downwards movement on BTC pretty much. I have never experienced a full-blown bull run with this YouTube channel, so I'm pretty excited to see what the bull run does to the channel in general. Oh man, I need to find a good station. Hang on. Surprise me likes. We got the blues. What's chill? Let's listen to chill. It's just so hard to find royalty-free music. Happy EDM. We got some funk, hype bass, hype. Oh, what's hype bangers? Oh, let's listen to lo-fi. Oh boy, oh boy. BTC's pumping your STX bags. Yeah, BTC will pump your STX bags, and it'll also pump Ordi bags. Ordi should be up pretty good right now too. Oh wow, Ordi's actually down. I just ate crow right there. Usually when BTC pumps, Ordi pumps as well. Altcoin's up 12.9%, looks like. Yo, Filecoin broke out of its multi-year downtrend too. This thing was in a downtrend since April of 2021. So you're in the first stages of your bull run right here. We've actually never been this high in the WTX before. Pretty crazy. If we draw a lifelong fib, we won't really find much. We'll find the next main resistance. Oh, we will find much. You're actually above that 236 right now, which is great. You want to maintain above that 236 at $6.50. That's your first main life support here on the lifelong fib. Your next main resistance here is sitting at around 382. Now the indicators are still looking strong. You're still tailing up on all three. So if we draw the short-term fib, which I think it's from this high to the bottom. Yeah, this high to the bottom. What you really need to focus on overtaking is that 0.5, which is at $7. I would just round it up to 750. You get over 750, your next resistance is the 618 at around $10. $10 is going to be a very heavy resistance area to get over because you're going from 1 digit to 2 digits. It's just a very psychological resistance area. You can see in the past, you already tested it out once back in July of 2022. So if we got up to $10, I would expect some sort of pullback before we broke through it. I don't think we're going to see just a straight blow through $10. So in the meantime, I would be bullish on this coin up to $10, and then once we hit $10, see a small retracement and then hopefully rally up from there. But Filecoin's looking good, broke out of its bear market downtrend. It's in the first stages of its bull run. Filecoin pumps from 9 to 11. Yeah, that's what we're seeing, 9 to 11 on that first pump of the 618 right there, you know, 10, 11 bucks, then the retracement. Can I check time? Let's go, Michigan. Oh yeah, what's the score? Oh, the game's over. No, it's 2013 with 3 minutes and 19 seconds left. We're down by 7 right now, so fingers crossed. So can we check out time? So we'll look at time and then we'll look at horizon. Is time finally doing something? We looked at it on KuCoin, if I remember correctly. That's where our chart is. Yes. Man, we've had this drawn for so long, dude. We've had this drawn for so effing long. So long. It's ridiculous. Yeah, this is bullish consolidation right here on time. Indicators are looking solid too. WTX looking good. RSI is looking good. MACD. Wow, yeah, MACD is about ready to cross over. We did cross over bullish. Yeah, this is looking good, guys. We've been bearish since the end of November here on the MACD, so let's keep a close eye out on this, guys. I mean, when time pumps, you don't have that long to get out. You really don't have that long to get out. Like, this is a day. Look at this one candle all the way up was an entire day. So if you aren't watching this daily, it could get rugged. But we are expecting a super nice pump. Michigan just tied. Oh my gosh, I'm missing it. Michigan just tied it. We're gonna go into overtime. Oh shoot. It is what it is. You know, they would have won. They would have won if they didn't mess up that field goal. If they didn't mess up that extra point. Yeah, time's not looking bad. I mean, if we break out, if we get above the 618 here, I'd say if we get above 22 to 23 bucks, that's when we're gonna start seeing some really good movement here. And the day chart's looking solid. Indicators are looking solid on time. So let's watch it, guys. 618 is the price to beat at 23 bucks. 618 is the price to beat at 28 bucks.
Impressed by the loveliness of her hair, her soft blue eyes, her delicate mouth.
I'm afraid I can't say.
Yeah, the missed field goal and missed extra point. They would have got those two. They would have won already. We wouldn't have to be in overtime. Horizon protocol. I'm guessing this is what you're talking about, this Horizon protocol, because there's two horizons here. Yeah, we'll look at Horizon protocol. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Yeah, so Horizon protocol, man, it's not looking bad. We're up 3.9% at 3.4 cents. Extremely small market cap of only $4.9 million with a small circulating supply of only 144 million. I love coins that are set up like this with small market cap with small circulating supply, because those are the ones that can make very, very large gains in the market. When you don't have a large supply and your market cap is extremely low, depending on which exchanges you're on, which this is actually on MEXC. So it's only available on PancakeSwap and MEXC. So as of right now, not financial advice, I'd recommend buying on MEXC rather than PancakeSwap, and then figure out if they plan on getting listed on some larger exchanges. Now, if we look at the all-time high in this, it was last bull run at $1.62, and then all-time low was 2 months ago. So yeah, this thing really hasn't been out that long, and I'm betting there was a lot less coins in circulation when it was at $1.62. And you can compare that by comparing the price to the market cap. Yeah, they did put more coins in circulation right around here, right around May of 2021, but there's still not a whole lot, guys. So this is, I guess you can say it's a higher risk play, but the setup to make some good money is there with the small market cap and the small circulating supply. Yo, Road Dog Crypto in the house. I missed most of the stream, but still remember to hit that like button. What's up, CC? Congrats on your picks. You've been much appreciated, Road Dog. One of the few that hang on one sec. One of the few YouTube cryptos that I respect is Road Dog Crypto. You guys should all check his channel out. If you haven't checked his channel out before, definitely check it out. He has some good stuff on there. A lot of good content. So the Michigan game's tied. Game's tied 2020 here. We're in with 1 minute and 1 second left. So let's see what's going on. So Horizon here, guys, I guess we're technically touching 3 points here. So this is a valid downtrend. This is technically a valid downtrend. I mean, you could draw a million different valid downtrends right here, but just to fit the narrative, this is what we're going to do. We're going to draw the downtrend from right here. So you still haven't broken out of your lifelong downtrend. You are currently contending it right now. So that's something to keep a close eye on. If you break out of this, that would actually be the first time you broke out of it ever. And that could be the first steps of your bull run. Now with the small circulating supply and small market cap, this coin can move rather quickly. You can see when people get large buys in, you get very, very large green candles. So what we're currently going to be watching out for here is it breaking over 3.5? We're not currently above 3.5 right now. We're at 344 or 341. So it needs to break above 3.5 to be bullish. Now, if we get rejected from that 3.5, we do have some support here at the 786, but realistically, I think we would have to see a complete reset on all these indicators, which would bring us back down to around that 618 here at around 27 to 25. So if you don't break above 3.5 and hold it here, I would have to see you're going back down to 2.5. Now, like I said, this is more of a higher risk coin since it's only on MEXC and Pancake Swap, but the setup's there. The setup with the small market cap and small circulating supplies, it's there. So the setup to make good money's there. It's just, are they going to execute on, you know, marketing and stuff like that? So that's currently my prediction there on Horizon. Oh, so that wasn't even the right ticker, huh? So we just tried a different coin. You said Zen. Okay, this Horizon is what you wanted. Okay, users of Zen nodes are advertised to upgrade, or advised to upgrade their version 3.20 and discontinue. Oh, that's no concern there. Up 2.6 at 934, $135 million market cap with 14 million coins in circulation. All-time high is 165 2 years ago. All-time low is 4 years ago. Currently available. It's available on a lot of exchanges and big exchanges too. I see MEXC, I see Coinbase in here. I see Binance in here. So yeah, you can get this coin anywhere, looks like. Yo, Grizz in the house. What's up? What's up? Yeah, this definitely looks good. Broke out of the downtrend back test and you're starting to rally up. So yeah, this looks like it's already out of his bear market downtrend. Nice V-shaped bottom right there. So let's do some TA on it. If we go from that high to the low, which is from here to here, what we're currently finding is resistance at the 618. I'm going to hide this volume price profile real quick. So we've been putting in, unfortunately, back here in November 10th, we topped out. We've been putting in, you know, lower lows and lower highs since. So that's technically a bearish trend happening right there, putting in lower highs and lower lows. So what we're currently going to try to contend with here is the 618 around $9.50. If we break above $9.50, there's a good chance that we'll probably run up to around 1075. Now, if we even draw a smaller fib to see what type of price action's happening on the smaller fib, what we could be seeing. Oh, we actually have to go by this. What we could be seeing is moving up to that 618 around 1025. So that's what I'm going to be expecting here. The 0.5 right here, and then work our way up to around the 618. And that's your area of focus right there. Is the 618 around $10.25. Indicators aren't looking bad. I mean, obviously you've been in this downtrend for a while, and you did just put in a higher low there on the RSI. So hopefully that's a sign of a little reversal there. And the MACD is starting to slow down on its bearish momentum. You don't have as in large bearish candles as you did a couple days ago. So I'd be keeping an eye on breaking above $9.40. You do that, your next resistance is the 618 right here at 1025. And then that is the real price area to keep an eye on. So write that on a sticky note and slap it on your forehead. 618 at $10.25. That is your area to focus on Zen. But the overall goal is to break out of this downtrend that we're currently been in since November. So regardless, if we continue the trend, it's probably going to be something like this. You know, $10, $10 to $11, and then we'll reassess the situation. Bajun. Baju, what's Baju with you? That is such a bad joke. That is so horrible. Ajuana network, Baju up 63%. Nothing on market cap. So we have to check it here. What is it? BAJU. 12 million market cap, it says. So 12 million market cap with 50 million coins in circulation. That's not a bad setup. It's not a bad setup. All-time lows 2 months ago. You're up 7x from the all-time low. Your current high was 2 hours ago. You're down 12% from your all-time high. Game is going to overtime, man, and I'm sitting here streaming, so it might just come down to that coin toss. It might just come down to that coin toss. Oh, it's available on MEXC. So if you just tuned in, we're charting some coins, and we're also watching the Alabama and Michigan game. Unfortunately, not unfortunately, I mean, I'm glad I'm here doing this with you guys, but it's going into overtime right now. But yeah, man, this thing's up 63.2% today. Oh man, look at that. This is the power of the bull run, guys. You've been in a downtrend since December of 2022, and you completely undid the downtrend in the matter of a half a month. A half a month. You know, people will be like, oh, crypto's dead, crypto's dead. And then in a half a month, everyone's like, we're back, we're so back. Like, geez, that's nuts, guys. That is absolutely insane. So we're kind of in price discovery mode here, I guess you could say. Price discovery mode. So we hit a new all-time high. Now, normally when you see quick run-ups like this, you normally retrace back down to the 618 to 0.5 area. Now, I don't know if there was a catalyst that caused this pump, or if it just pumped because we're in the bull market. If it was a catalyst, obviously the catalyst will outweigh the TA, but we're going to pretend that there's no catalyst because we don't know if there is, and we're going to go by the TA. Now, the TA says, hey, it looks like we might be topped out here. All the indicators are kind of showing that as well. We can actually probably verify that on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we verified on the 4-hour time frame. Look at this massive overbought. We're off the chart there on the sell signal. We're off the chart on the sell signal here on the RSI all the way up to 95. Not saying we can't go higher, but it's unlikely. And then we got a big drop here on the 4-hour MACD, starting to lose our bullish momentum. So to me, that verifies that we probably see a top right here, and we're coming down for some sort of correction. And we'll probably assess those corrections by the first main support being the 786 right here at around 17 cents, 17.5, and then a possible rally. Or what I'm thinking is a possible 618 and then a rally. Normally when you see large run-ups like this, you see a 618 correction and then a rally. Not saying we can't go lower than 618 because you can throw a wick down there, you know, throw a wick and then rally up. But I think this is the case right now. Bajun right now, I think it's found a top, and we're going to need to see some sort of cool down for these indicators. So the first support for it's going to be the 786 at around 17 cents, I would say. And then if you broke below 17 cents, the 618. So something like that is going to be expected. So keep an eye on those two fib areas for Ajuana, whatever it's called, Bajun. It doesn't look bad. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. Congrats if you got in, and you know, what is that, 2 weeks ago? You got in 2 weeks ago, you're already up 8x. That's insane. That's insane. So David, you got to let me know who wins the coin toss. I don't know if it shows it on the screen. Oh boy. So we had one from David saying Reef. We got it. We can't forget the corn man. Not David, the corn man. Up 5.7% today. 52 million market cap. Infinite max supply. No. I want to. There we go. Mexi. Oh, this thing looked like it broke out of its downturn in October. Yeah, it did. So this thing started its bull run pretty early. It started at beginning of November. So yeah, this is already in bullish territory here, top to the bottom. Currently running up by fibs. It looks like you ran up here to this to the 236, retraced, ran up to the 382, retrace, ran up to the 382, retrace. So hypothetically speaking, if we're continuing the same pattern, the next main resistance is around 0.003 micro pennies, and the indicators are looking like we're about ready to smash through that 382 area. If we look at the MACD's bearish right now, about ready to flip bullish. RSI starting to tail up as well, including the WTX. I mean, the WTX is a little high right now, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that. If we look at the current downtrend here, we do have room to run up. And I mean, we are technically, you know, putting in higher highs and higher, or lower highs and lower lows, which is kind of forming a symmetrical triangle right here as well for the WTX. I mean, we could draw lines all day on this. So in the meantime, for Reef, it doesn't look bad. I'd be keeping an eye on the 61 or 382 at, I would say 0.025. You get over 0.025, that's when we're to start seeing our next leg up for Reef, and that next leg up will most likely bring us up to 0.003. So I'm going to be bullish on Reef, guys. I think this is the move. So from where we're currently at, that's approximately a 31% pump. So yeah, I would say a 31% pumps on the horizon here for Reef. Not looking bad whatsoever. Bama just won the toss again. Oh man, hopefully we get 4 and out. Is Reef going to 0.037 on this pump? Reef is going to 0.003. I'm thinking 0.037. It could. That's the 618 right here. But the next main resistance area, it looks like it's the 0.5. And you had a lot of price action around that 0.5. If you look back here in the past, it was a support back in November 2022. It was a resistance here, March, April of 2023. So you do have some prior price volatility around that 0.003 cents area. So that's why I'd keep an eye on that area. Michigan scores 6 on ground in overtime. How'd they score 6? I thought Bama had the ball. Oh my God, I just missed the game of the century. Damn it. I'm gonna have to rewatch the game. Oh my gosh. If you just tuned in, we're following the Alabama and Michigan game right now. We're streaming during it. It's the Rose Bowl. It's in overtime right now. So if you're new to the channel, I'm a Michigan fan, so go blue. Go blue. Can I check Buddha out with wrapped ETH? So we're actually probably gonna look at a DGen chart. Look, I haven't looked at a DGen chart all live stream. I'm looking forward to this. So we can actually just look at it on here. I don't know if you guys can see my deck screener that well. Let me see. So I think it might be a little Buddha BUDDHA wrapped ETH. Yeah, the screen's kind of wonky. Here, let me actually just pull it off and adjust it real quick for you guys so you can actually see deck screener a little bit better. There we go. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. So as of right now, this coin is, let's see, how old is this? So it's 18 days old. So it's a rather new coin. Currently available on Ethereum. Currently no price on the 5, no volume on the 5 minute. Liquidity is 583 or 538,000, which is awesome. And it looks like the liquidity is locked, which means you can't get rugged. Has a $41 million market cap as well. Now, if you look at the Go security here, we see it has a whitelist. But other than that, man, this thing checks out great with the security. So you can't, it's not a honeypot. There's no sell tax. There's no buy, or there's a 1% buy tax, 1% sell tax, which is not bad. A lot of coins have 3 to 5, and a lot of them are modifiable. And as you can see, the tax is not modifiable here. It says no. So that means they can't modify that tax and change it on you. And the ownership is renounced, which is fantastic. It means there's no owner for this coin now, so owner can't rug you. So yeah, you know, transfers pausable. No, so this is actually set up pretty good with the security. Now I have no idea what this is. It's a meme coin, obviously. If we draw the lifelong, oh, I don't know if lifelong fib will really play out. Oh, the lifelong fib does play out. Short-term fib plays out too, but lifelong fib right now for Buddha, I have to get indicators on here too. I always have to reset up my deck screener for some reason. I don't use it that much. So let's see, what do we have here? We're gonna need the RSI. We're gonna need the MACD. That's all we really need right now. So right now the indicators on the 1 hour time frame are showing a pullback, but I really don't look at the 1 day. I look at the 4 hour and the day chart. But we don't have a lot of volume or price data off the day chart, so we actually are going to have to rely on the hour time frame, which the hour time frame is calling for a pullback back down to the 618 at around 3552. So I'd be keeping an eye on 3-3 or 3-5. Oh my gosh, I sound like Porky the Pig there. 3552 and then a rally to the upside. So that's what I'm going to be looking for this coin. Now, this coin's rather new. This is a meme coin. Meme coins really don't play by TA rules. You know, they're played by the whales rules. Whoever owns the most coin makes the rules. So I'd be cautious of that. But in the meantime, it does look like a pullback and the continuation to the upside. That back up here. Aurora and AIOZ look pretty ready for a pump. A lot of coins are gearing up for a pump. I mean, we went over the total 2 earlier in the stream, man, and the BTC dominance is breaking down. We're entering a perfect storm right now. You know, Tuesday, the deadline for the ETFs that everyone says is going to get approved. You know, it could be buy the rumor, sell the news. We could be pumping into next Tuesday, then absolutely shit the bed. But, you know, Tuesday's over a week away, so we can make money in a week off this buy the rumor, sell the news. Who knows? It could be buy the rumor and then, you know, put all your money on the news and ride that bad boy to financial freedom. But yeah, so hopefully this is the first day of the last year for working for the man. Hopefully this is the year that charting crypto becomes financially free and I can just sit here and chart coins on YouTube. That would be the play, right? That would be the play. AIOZ is up 21.3%, 184 million market cap. All-time high was last bull run. Currently available on... Oh, it's available on Coinbase. So it's available on a large exchange. That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, we charted this before. Did we chart it today? Yo, this thing's about ready to run. This thing is about ready to rip ass. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this thing's about ready to fly up to $2.50. That's a 16x from where we're currently at. Yo, can you do futures on this? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this might not be a bad spot play, guys. Now, obviously that 16x isn't going to happen in one day because each one of these candles is a single day. But man, this thing just broke out of a lengthy consolidation period. And if you take that flagpole and overlay it over the breakout, it brings you up to $2.50. Yeah, I would have to say $2.50 is technically on the table and indicators are looking fantastic and geared up to do it. You were bearish throughout the whole month of December. Last 2 days you've been bullish. RSI is tailing up, WTX is tailing up. So yeah, I don't see any reason why not. I want to know if this is on futures. I doubt it. No, it's not. It's only on Coinbase and Bluecoin. Yeah, this coin's looking good. This coin is looking prime for breakout, just like you said. And then you said Aurora. We looked at Aurora. haven't looked at Aurora in a while. I'll look at Aurora. Yeah, so Aurora, obviously I charted that before too, because I have a green box here saying, hey, we can see some sort of support in this box. Bounce off the 0.5, but actually let's just start fresh because I have no idea what I talked about back then. Yeah, you're finding support at the 618 which is bullish, and the indicators about ready to cross over bullish guys. We've been bearish since the middle of December. Starting to tail up here. We just need to see this WTX starting to curl up. I'd be more bullish on AIOZ than this. Yeah, go blue. Barry Dingle, blue for the win. Let's go. Look at that. They won, guys. They won. Go blue. Let's go. Let's go, man. I wasn't able to watch it, but I was there in spirit. We had David keeping us updated throughout the live stream. Big Ten wins, go Buckeyes. Yeah, you'll never hear David say go blue. He's a Buckeyes fan, but you know, at least he cheers for the Big Ten. Yeah, this doesn't look bad, but I think the other coin's gearing up for a bigger move for sure. For sure. For sure. Crazy. All right, guys. So I have time to chart one more coin tonight. It's a rather short live stream, but I have to gear up to get ready to go to work tomorrow. So who wants the last coin charted for tonight? We went over quite a bit today. We went over BTC at the beginning. We went over USDT dominance, the DXY, the total 2, the Bitcoin dominance. Went over a lot of altcoins, our theory on the Bitcoin ETF on the 9th of January. If it's okay, you can look at time. So Papa Smurf, we did look at time on the live stream. Time's looking pretty good. So if you want to zoom back, I think it was like 5 coins ago, we can look at time. That's where I have time. It's not looking bad. Time's looking like it's about ready to move to the upside. It's looking solid. But I've been saying that for a long time. My bullish megaphone pattern is still valid, but I've had that pattern for over a half. Oh, man. So super, I'm guessing you're talking about Superverse. Oh no, we'll go over Solo too. We'll end the live stream on Solo because there's actually some good news on, or some alpha on Solo. Yep, we went over A0 too. We went over A0. I think it was like the 3rd or 4th coin I charted. So A0 was charted in the live stream towards the beginning. So Superverse up 7.5% at 66 cents, $299 million market cap, good circulating supply, max supply, only down 86% from its all-time high, which isn't bad. All-time low, man. If you would have bought 2 months ago, you'd be up 8.5x. This coin's currently available on a lot of exchanges, and Coinbase. Yo, look at that move. Whoa, I haven't charted. Wow, look at this. Last time I charted this coin was July 2022. If I would have just bought it July of 2022 and held, let's see what I'd be up. A 5x, not bad. Not bad. I don't think we'll go by the scam wick. I don't think the scam wick's valid. Scam wick's not valid. Or is it? No, it is valid because you were having a difficult time getting over that 236 right there for sure. As soon as you broke above that 236 to infinity and beyond. as soon as you broke out of this downtrend to infinity and beyond. I mean, November 11th, man, after that, you turn the boosters on. As of right now, we're just consolidating between the 618 and 0.5 right now. Indicators are looking like it wants to push up. I mean, we're bearish right now, but we're losing our bearish momentum. We're still pretty high though. We're still pretty high, as you can see right here. It's better if we're about ready to cross over bullish when the MACD's moving averages are right around here. RSI is tailing up, WTX is tailing up. So I'd be keeping an eye on something like this, probably a rally up to that 618 at around 8. What is that? At around 83 cents. That's gonna be the next resistance here, because you are putting in higher highs and higher lows. And if you get over 83 cents, that would confirm the next leg up for this coin. Like I said, indicators are looking pretty bullish right now, at least bullish enough to head up to around that 85 cents area. So keep an eye on that. Write that on a sticky note, slap it on your forehead. 85 cents at the 618 is the next main support area. So we'll get a target for the next bong pump. We'll look at Solo and then we'll end the live stream. That is effing nuts, dude. Effing nuts, man. We covered Bong throughout the entire bear market. It's looking on the day chart like it wants to rip ass to the upside again. We did go over Bonk earlier in the stream, but always happy to do it again. Yeah, 4 hours looking awesome too. Oh my gosh, this thing's about ready to pop. We're still bullish since October, guys. Even though we had a large retracement here, we're still put in a higher low. And if we get over the 618 here at around 148 micro pennies, that next leg up could be confirmed. I mean, look how reset we are right now. We were overbought for so long here on the RSI. The RSI completely reset on December 29th. All these indicators are completely reset. Look at how long we were getting these buy or sell signals for. All the way back from October, we were getting sell signals and we didn't do anything but go up with those sell signals. Now all the indicators are reset. We went back here, pretty much picked up kegs upon kegs upon kegs of moon juice, stockpiled it on our ship, picked up some more people for the next voyage to the moon, and we're gearing up for it right now. Like, Bonk on the 4 hour chart's looking like it's about ready to effing explode. Like, for real. Like, this is a great setup. So the next leg up, I would have to say the next leg up, probably next resistance is the 786 at 221, or we just smash through that. The end results would be the 1618 up here at around 150, I would have to say. Now, it's not going to be a straight up run, but that's approximately an 8x from where we're currently at. I mean, Bonk has an extremely smart high market cap now, so the gains are going to be a little bit harder to obtain comparative to back here in October. So that's my thought. Bonk's gearing up for something big. And last but not least, man, we're going to chart some Solo. So just a little bit of a disclaimer here. I am on the board of Solo. Not as an advisor. I'm actually on the board. They have daily meetings and stuff like that. Recommendations on how to proceed with the project and stuff. So it's not a scam coin by any means. It's not a scam coin. It's not going to get rugged or anything like that. But just a disclaimer, I am on the board of this and I do own a bag. But it just came out 6 days ago. We're up 5.72% today. There's currently quite a few whales in the group. Some of them have sold already. That's what caused these large dips. But if we look at the current chart pattern, this is a very bullish continuation pattern forming right here, in my personal opinion. So this is a very bullish continuation pattern forming right here. We have held up at the support down here. So, I mean, you really can't chart coins that are this new, so take this with a grain of salt, but this is a bullish continuation pattern for me. So this is what I'm going to be keeping a close eye on here. Now, what I'm going to be expecting here is probably a movement back up to this downtrend resistance area, which from where we're currently at is around 60% move. So if we draw from the top to the bottom, yeah, that's what we need to focus on here, is getting over that 618. If this breaks above 00019, that's when we're going to start seeing some good movement to the upside. And then once we break out of this, we can go to infinity and beyond. Now, the market cap's only 179,000, so it's an extremely small market cap. It is a high risk play. Even though I'm on the board, man, you know, it's up to the crypto, you know, the cryptoverse. You know, I can't pump the bags or anything like that. But they're trying to do some pretty cool stuff. It's just a project, you know, a project on Solana. Liquidity is 82,000. If we look at their, I think they have a Twitter too. They had a Twitter space today. Normally, you know, meme coins like this don't hold Twitter spaces or anything, but they actually have been holding a couple of Twitter spaces per week. And if you look here, they're constantly active on Twitter. You know, they're constantly making posts on Twitter, which is a bullish thing, because a lot of these meme coins, you know, they'll make one post every 2-3 days. So these people are the people here are actually posting every single day. I actually made this graphic. Believe it or not, I made this graphic for the Solo team, and I'm currently working on making some pretty cool art for them as well. But yeah, if you want to check that out, the AMA, it's on their Twitter page. I can also probably do a video on it and upload it to my channel. But yeah, this is currently what they're trying to do, the first ever crypto AR NFT. It's pretty neat. I actually created the NFTs right here, so they're pretty cool. Still a work in progress. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes I can't talk about, but I mean, that doesn't mean the coin's going to go to the absolute moon. I mean, this coin could go to zero, but I'm bullish on it. You know, I'm bullish on it. If I wasn't bullish on it, I would jump off the wagon and not be on the board, because the board actually takes up quite a bit of time from the YouTube channel, you know, making graphics and having meetings throughout the week. So Solo right now, I'm holding my bags. As of right now, we're in this continuation pattern. So the continuation pattern would be something like that. You know, it's a rather new coin, only out 10 days ago, but they've done a lot of stuff in 10 days. So I'm just holding to see where it goes. So none of this is financial advice. You know, you gotta do what's best for you, as Vision would say. So with that, guys, I appreciate everybody tuning into the live stream tonight. If you haven't already, please smash that like button. It really helps my channel grow and get out to more people, bring some more members into the Discord channel so we can communicate and spread some news on crypto. If you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord channel. It's completely free. We have a lot of good people in there, a lot of good information. So that's the easiest way to contact me outside of the live stream, is on the Discord. You can actually chat on there. You can contact me right on there. We can talk all you want. I'm on there daily, along with a lot of people in this group. So that link is in the description below as well. So with that, everyone, happy New Year's, and I hope you all enjoy your first week of 2024, man. The bull run's right around the corner. Actually, we're in the bull run right now, so let's keep an eye on Tuesday. Hopefully we all have a great week here, a great start to 2024. I'll catch you guys all next time.